Hello, welcome to another video of this AI series। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लेटेस्ट एडवांसमेंट एंड रिसर्च ट्रेंड्स इन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। So let's get on to the slide। Advancement in deep learning. One of the most significant areas of advancement in AI is deep learning. Researchers are constantly refining neural network architectures, developing novel training techniques, and exploring new applications of deep learning across various domains. From natural language processing and computer vision to reinforcement learning and generative modeling, deep learning continues to push the boundaries of AI capabilities and unlock new possibilities for solving complex problems. Explainable AI (XAI). Another emerging trend in AI research is explainable AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated and pervasive, there is a growth need to understand and interpret their decisions and behavior. Researchers are developing methods and techniques to make AI systems more transparent and interpretable, enabling users to understand the rationale behind AI decisions, identify biases or errors, and build trust in AI systems. AI for good. Additionally, there is growing emphasis on using AI for social good and addressing global challenges. Researchers are applying AI techniques to tackle pressing issues such as healthcare disparity, disparities, disparities, climate change mitigation, disaster response, and poverty alleviation. By harnessing the power of AI for positive impact, researchers are working towards building a more equitable and sustainable future for all. AI in AI ethics and bias mitigation. Ethical considerations and bias mitigation in AI systems are also hot topics in AI research. Researchers are exploring methods to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems, mitigate biases and discrimination, and promote diversity and inclusivity in AI development and deployment. By addressing ethical challenges and biases in AI, researchers aim to build AI systems that reflect our values and serve the greater good. And there you have it, a glimpse into the latest advancement and research trends in AI intelligence, from deep learning and explainable AI to AI for good and ethics and bias mitigation. Researchers around the world are pushing the boundaries of AI technologies and working towards a future where AI benefits society as a whole. So join us as we continue to explore the ever evolving landscape of artificial intelligence and its profound impact on our world. So that's it. This is the series for AI। और भी नई और भी सीरीज हमारी आती रहेंगी। तब तक के लिए हैव अ ग्रेट डे एंड हैप्पी